So most people think that you need a huge YouTube channel with thousands of views or maybe thousands of subscribers to make any money. That's just not true. And we're going to talk about that today. There's actually a third approach that we can use that works extremely well for retirees that already have a hobby or a passion that they're interested in making a YouTube channel with. And this small channel, small amount of views, small amount of subscribers can earn, $100 or more a month. Let me show you how that works. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. So, in previous videos, you saw me talk about two different ways to start a channel. One I call the loud channel, where you're telling everyone about your channel. And the other one's a quiet channel, where you're keeping quiet and letting the YouTube algorithm grow your audience. And those both work. They do. But I wanted to show you about another possibility. And this one I'm going to label it as a hybrid channel. So let me explain. On a hybrid channel, what you're doing is you're taking a passion that you have or hobby that you have, and this works absolutely great for people who are in clubs and things like that. Woodworkers or gardeners or whatever, and you participate in that club. So that is your passion, that's your hobby, that's what you enjoy doing. And we can take that and get it earning money on YouTube without being YouTube monetized. YouTube's not the one paying you, but affiliates that you're attached to, affiliate marketing, can pay you. And let me explain what I mean. So let's say that your passion's gardening and you belong to clubs, 3 clubs, whatever, and you decide, "I wanna launch this YouTube channel about gardening," and we launch it. Well, you have to really understand how the YouTube algorithm works when you very first, launch your channel. So you're going to be explaining to the YouTube algorithm who you are in your description of your channel and by the types of videos that you post. So on this one, where this one's different, we are going to post the different videos that we're interested in, all about gardening, and all the details about gardening. But what we're going to do, we're not going to stay quiet on it for the algorithm to locate our audience, but we're not going to tell everyone about it either. Who we are going to tell is what makes a difference. We're going to tell everyone that you know that's interested in that same thing. So you're going to tell all of the members in your gardening club, uh, any relationship that you have with anyone about gardening, let them know. You may buy supplies from someone and they know who you are. Tell them because they have an interest in gardening. So what's going to happen then is YouTube algorithm, while it goes and searches all over the internet for your audience, it sees the people that are coming and subscribing to your channel are gardeners. And the YouTube algorithm likes that. It's saying that this information that we're putting out there is getting a response. So when YouTube algorithm sees a response, its response to that is to push out your channel to more people. That's why this one can work. This hybrid system can work so well if you are in a club or you have a lot of associates that are interested in the same thing and they look at those same type of videos. So, if you have a friend who's a gardener, tell them. Your club, tell them. People at church who are gardeners, tell them. Tell all the people that you know are interested in that same subject. So it does work out as a hybrid. Now, once we get that following of any amount, it makes no difference the amount. We've talked about this. in previous videos, highly recommend that you check them out. What we want to do is any item that we use for our gardening, and I mean any item. If it's fence pliers to put a fence around it, or the fencing itself, or whatever it is that you may use, you want to get an affiliate link for that item and put it in the description. So what happens with that? People come gardening and they see you using a fencing plier, and you tell them, I like this fencing plier and I've got a link for this in the description below. They go down and click the link, go over to whoever you're associated with. And I highly recommend becoming an affiliate for Amazon. Everyone shops at Amazon practically. There's going to be some people out there say, I never shop from the whatever. Trust me, Amazon's huge. Lots of people shop there. So if you become an affiliate for Amazon, you can go get the link for that plier, put it in the description below. They click it, they go over to Amazon, and this is the cool thing, guys. While they're at Amazon, anything that they buy, Amazon's going to pay you a commission for. So how that works and how that trails out is you've got a link for potting soil in the description below, because you're showing people how to pot plants or whatever. They go down, they click it, they go over and they look at the potting soil. And even if they don't buy the potting soil, they don't buy it. They go ahead while they're on Amazon and go over and buy their coffee because they're out of their morning coffee. You're going to earn a commission on the coffee. So it really can snowball. I have on this title $100. Trust me, it can be a lot more than $100, much more. But this is a nice, quiet, easy way that you don't have to start two channels. You can keep it nice and calm and stay in your lane that you like with your passion, and tell some people, still use the affiliate links. Oh, and another thing for affiliate links. If you, let's say, again, now we're still in our gardening, and you see a item that you would like to buy, but you don't have one yet. You find a cultivator, power cultivator for your garden, and it's a $300 item and you don't have it. You can still say on a video, I found an item that I really like, I like to own, and this is it, and show them even pictures on the screen of your video of the item and said, I could see where this would be a big benefit. And I do have a link in the description below this video. Guys, if they click that link and go buy that cultivator that you don't even own, you're going to earn a commission on it. It's a wonderful way to start a small channel, keep it completely under control where you're comfortable with it, and earn some extra money. And seriously, $100 is not that difficult. And again, you can earn $200, $300, $400 a month with affiliate commissions on a small YouTube channel. Guys, I hope this information helps you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, I do have a membership program and I also do coaching. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on my next video.